Catholic priest beaten up after flogging councillor's son for destroying his cassava farm. Reverend Father Ejike Fabian Odunze, the parish priest of St. Mary's Catholic Church, Nkomoro, in Eza North Local Government Area of Ebonyi State, has been allegedly attacked by some youths of the area. It was gathered that the incident happened after Father Odunze flogged and detained the son of Councillor of Nkomoro Ward, Mrs. Ngozika Onele, for allegedly destroying his cassava farm. A source from the community who spoke to Vanguard on Thursday, October 8, said that Father Ejike had vowed not to release the child without seeing the parents, having warned him several times against destroying his farm produce. Father Odunze's refusal to release the boy angered his family members, who went and reported the matter to the chairman of the parish council. When the chairman of the parish council arrived at Father's house, alongside Kelechi Nwanli and Chika Nwanli, who are the brothers to the ward councillor, he sought to know what happened, the source explained. But Father Ejike asked him to ask the people who brought him into the matter. It was in the process that a quarrel ensued. Then Chika Nwanli insisted Father must release the boy to them without further delay. His outburst angered Father, who ordered that he should leave his compound, but he refused. Chika said he would not leave without Father releasing the boy. In anger, Father brought a cane and started flogging him to leave his compound. Immediately, Father used the cane on him. He collected it and broke it into pieces before Chika and his brother, who were around, started beating the priest mercilessly. The source added. It was further learned that after the incident, the father, who could not bear the assault, left the community and is currently at Bishop's Quarter in Abakaliki, where he is also receiving treatment. The Bishop of Abakaliki Diocese, Michael Nnachi Okoro, and the entire Catholic communities are said to be very furious over the development. When contacted, Father Odunze said he was not stable to talk on the matter and wanted to be left alone. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, Father Odunze, you are a man of God. You are God's servant. You don't need to start quarreling or getting so much angry over material things. To me, it's a material thing. You would have just let go instead of getting yourself inflicted with this kind of attack. Because to me, it's an attack and also a very big embarrassment to your personality and your profession. You are a priest of Melchizedek. You are a priest forever. You are a called priest. You are not just a messenger of God. You know who priests are? They are special people living a special and unique life. That is what you are. But just within 24 hours, you made a mess of everything. It doesn't go well, sir. It doesn't go well. It doesn't go down well. So I will tell you the truth that you made a mess of everything, sir. You wouldn't have hurt that boy. You would have cautioned him or try to know his parents, then let them know what the little boy has done. Then they will now be the one to know how to caution him and not you. You get it? You got it wrong, Father. You got it completely wrong. I am a Catholic. I will tell you the truth, sir. You never did it well. because beating the young man is out of it, because your profession doesn't call for that. Have you forgotten the person that you are? Have you forgotten the person that you represent? You represent Christ. Okay? You represent Christ, so you should behave like Christ. Christ doesn't retaliate. Christ doesn't torture. The moment the family of the boy came, at first you have already you've offended the family at first for detaining the boy first in the parish. In the parish, you've offended God and also the people. Understand? 2, when the family came requesting for the release of the boy, after you must have finished explaining, you still insisted that you're not going to release the boy. So, having said that, you supposed to hand over this boy back to the parents. Allow him to go, because you have explained yourself already. You have explained yourself better, so you would have allowed him to go. You understand? You would have allowed him to go. Instead, you start quarreling with the family and start beating people whom you know can even beat the hell out of you if they decide to. So you invited the torture to yourself. You invited the beating to yourself, because if you have not beaten those brothers of the boy you detained, they wouldn't have attacked you. So you lose the respect the moment you start beating the boy. Okay, now you're on treatment. Are you happy? No, you're at fault. I will tell you the truth, you're at fault. You're completely at fault. You abused your personality, the profession, and the parish that you're serving. Yeah, let's call a spade a spade. That's what happened. That's what happened. So you wouldn't have touched the boy. You would have just let him be. You're wrong. So please, my viewers, what's your take? What's your take on this news? Please do well to leave them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.